Hello, I'm Andrew, and today I'll be going over a CycloneDX SBOM generator tool, which you can integrate into Node.js projects. So in that case, let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you'll want to go to the following repo on this link. The link will be in the description. Specifically, you don't have to clone this project since it's on NPM, so what you'll need to do is you can just run an NPM install with this command, and then just run it on whatever project you plan to use the tool on. Okay, so now that I'm in command prompts, I'm in the directory of the project that I plan to use the tool for. For starters, I can just do CycloneDX-node-h for help, and then it'll show all the different options and parameters and such. Specifically, if I just want to just generate an SBOM, no matter the format, no matter what type of file it is, then I can just run CycloneDX-node, and there's no specific output being like, oh, you know, SBOM generation confirmed or such. You know, there's no output to anything. So what you can do is just go to the project directory, and you can see that there's the generated SBOM in XML, which is default format, right in the root directory of the project. So now let's say, for example, you don't want an XML format, you want JSON, which is generally the other file format that's supported by CycloneDX. So generally what you'd want to do is just do the same starter command, and then just do -o, and then file name .json. I'm just doing BOM because that was the default name like last time. And then, like, again, no output, we check again, and then there it is, the generated SBOM in JSON format, which is pretty much the same thing. Alright, so just taking a look at the generated SBOM real quick. I'm not going to go into all the details because I've already discussed of the contents of what would be in a CycloneDX SBOM before in previous demos. And generally the SBOM that's generated in this tool is pretty much the same from other CycloneDX generators. So the SBOMs generated from this generator doesn't really make much difference as compared to other CycloneDX generators out there. The only difference really is just the code base. So just looking real quick, we can verify that SBOM format is obviously CycloneDX, versions 1.3, see the vendors CycloneDX as well, component types default to library, and as well as that, down here is pretty much all the component information. For each component, we can see that we have external references, which contain Git documentation, README issues, Git repositories, descriptions, versions, names, licenses, and also some hashes and hash algorithms for the files as well. Overall, pretty much the same as you'd see in a typical CycloneDX SBOM format. Nothing too special or too specific. Pretty much the same as what I've shown in the CycloneDX for Maven demo, as well as the CycloneDX, as well as what we've shown for the CycloneDX for Python as well. So overall, the SBOM generating this is pretty much consistently the same. So overall, this tool is generally perfect for fast and easy reliable SBOM generation for Node.js projects. If you want to see more from us, feel free to check out our other demos, and once again, thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.